Thanks for joining this quick how-to screencast brought to you by Salesforce Support. To see more content like this, hit subscribe. In this video, we're going to learn how to add the Log a Call button to Document and save the results of user communications. The Log a Call button creates a completed task or activity record for your users to document communications. The Log a Call button in Lightning appears in the Chatter and Chatter Publisher on the case object. On the other objects, Log a Call appears in the Activities component. First, I'd like to check if the Log a Call feature appears in the case object. Log into the org and go to a case record. Notice there is no Log a Call feature on the page, which is usually on the right side. In this screencast, I'd like to add it on this page layout. Click the gear icon, select Setup, and click on Object Manager. Type Case in the Quick Find box. Drag the Log a Call action from the Mobile and Lightning Experience section of the Page Layout Editor's palette to the Salesforce Mobile and Lightning Experience Actions section of the page. Click Save. Go back to the case record and notice that the Log a Call feature appears on the Chatter Publisher. To use the feature, click on Log a Call. Enter a subject and comments. Select a contact from the drop-down menu and click Save. The Log a Call activity will show on the Chatter feed. This is one of the ways for users to document communications. Please keep in mind that in order to follow these steps, you'll need access to the case object and the page layouts. If you do not have these features, please contact your system administrator for assistance. For more information, check out help.salesforce.com or join us on the trail at trailblazer.salesforce.com.